Hello ladies and gentlemen, we're back. I'm going to go through a little more COVID. I talked about it in the previous video. I'm going to show you some things in this video. So here's the website. This is at the University of Washington. They gather all the COVID data and they project what's going to happen. And here's the actual projections. Arizona, daily deaths. I want to point this out. What happens if we wear masks? The bottom green line, it cuts the number of deaths by about half. United States data is very, very similar. Okay, let's go on to here. Daily infections, similar trend. Masks work, in other words. Remember, you're infectious, you're contagious 2 days before you have symptoms with COVID. With the seasonal flu, you are not contagious before you have symptoms. So once you have symptoms with the seasonal flu, you can just stay home. With COVID though, wearing a mask prevents others from getting it. Helps. And then of course, it also does some protection for you. Here's why our health authorities want us to be very careful about this disease. Here's ICU beds available right here. This line, 500 in Arizona, all of Arizona. At the peak in July, we went over that. We needed more than that. They want to keep this number, when we use masks, they want to keep this number low enough so that people who need hospitalization, need the medical care, can get it. So from a public health point of view, we don't have a cure yet, we don't have a vaccine, but just tamping down the numbers lets hospitals, medical care, treat it easier. Bottom line, folks, wear masks. Okay, social distance, take all the other precautions you need to. Let's go on to Canvas, and let's start with getting photos in the Canvas. Most of my classes are going to need to do this. So let's go through how to go about this. I've got a photo here, or a document, and I've already set up Office Lens. This is Office Lens, the program. You can see it up here in this corner. I've got it set for document scanning. You can set it for other types of scanning as well. So Office Lens is almost like, it's not as good as having a scanner in your pocket, but it's pretty darn good. So I'm going to get this image, which is an ECE 103 homework assignment. And I'm going to, okay, I got to get out of this menu box. I need to take the picture. There we go. Just hold it up, click it. Now, we get to edit and change it. It's already looking pretty good. It's already in pretty darn good shape. Just a little more adjustment. Let's see. Maybe get rid of the outer border lines. Make this line parallel with the edge. It'll square up the image. If the image, when you do it on a camera, things are tilted and things like that. I like the way it came. I like it now. This will change the perspective a little bit so that it'll look nice and square when you get the image back. Okay, done. Now, there. It almost looks like it was scanned. Save away. On this computer, I'm going to save it in my gallery, which is the pictures folder on my computer. Check. Save away. It's all saved. So let's, not saved yet. There it is. Okay, let's go here. There it is. It just popped up. change the name to something unique. Let's see, exercise 01, assignment 01, assignment X, exercise 01. What a unique name, because if you do not use a unique name, you'll have different files overwrite other files in Canvas when you upload. So let's go to Canvas now. I should have Canvas all loaded up. I just need to find it. There we go. Everybody on Canvas has this thing called Files, and you can go to All My Files. Click it. You can create new folders in Canvas. And of course it takes a while. I'm going to go add a folder, 103 homework. Call it ECE 103 homework. Click. Get into this folder. And then you can add another folder, for example, assignment 1. Assignment 1, check. And get in there. Organize things. That'll keep your names unique. It'll prevent confusion and will keep names unique. Now let's go to pictures. See if I can drag. I sure can. Let's just drag it. There we go. Now let's say you want to unfortunately, let's go here, triple dot. You can rename it here if you don't like it, if you don't like the name, to keep a unique name. Okay. Assignment 1, exercise 1. Click. Check. Now, to upload it into an assignment, I'll go to now, any kind of essay assignment, you have the opportunity to embed images. And by the way, the instructions that I'm going through are up here too. Okay, where's our first? There we go. That's the reading. You guys see something different than what I see, by the way. So all those things you won't see yet. Okay, it's just taking a while. Come on, why can't I see it? Okay, come on, it's going, there we go. So this will tell you about the mind work map, and you have a box, so fill in the blank. And there's the box, it pops up. Here's the embed image. icon. You want to get your Canvas files. You want to get to your files. ECE 103 homework. There, I just created it. Assignment 1. And upload it. So now this image, oops, I didn't want to upload it. Cancel. I forgot. You can skip a step if you click this, if you have your image on your file. I already have my image in Canvas, so I don't need to do any uploading. And update. There. It just pasted the image into the assignment. Let's see. I'm going to reduce the size a little bit so we can see things a little better. Okay. And you can see the whole picture about what's going on. And there should be a couple images that come up here, the mind map, but they're not coming up. Let's see, let's go down here. Do the images come up here? Yes, they come up here. I just accidentally pasted the words. This is the last question, by the way. Anybody who's confused about, well, what's this all about? It got accidentally pasted there, so don't worry about it. Okay, so that's getting an image into Canvas. What else did I want to talk about? Images in the Canvas, Office Lens. Yeah, that's it. So that's the end of this recording to give you some general background about how to do things in Canvas with Office Lens. If you don't own a scanner, how to use your phone like a scanner. And I'll go ahead and conclude this video.